Hey guys, welcome to another episode of JavaScript. Today we're going to see what are arrays. So in JavaScript, objects allow you to store keyed collection of values. But what if I want to store an ordered collection of values, like for example, list of numbers, list of names, etc. Then we have a data structure called array, which can store ordered collection of values. So there are two ways in which you can create an array. So the first one is, let's do const a equal to new of array by calling the constructor function. Oops. Then we can do arr equal to use the square brackets. So that's the easiest way to create an array. You can define the values inside an array as well while you're actually creating it. So that's an easiest example of how to create an array. So now if we do a console.log of array, save this file, come here, you can see it's 1, 2, and 3. Now let's look at some of the array most used common array functions in JavaScript. The first one is length. So to get the length of an array, all you have to do is just do a console.log, call the arrays length function, save this file, run this guy again. Now you can see the length is 3. Now let's say if I want to add a new element into the array, then there's a function called push. So the easiest way is arr.push of 4. Save this one, come here and run this again, but before that let's do a console.log to see what the array elements are after the push. Run this guy. Now we can see it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's say if I have to remove an element at the end of an array, then I have to use a function called pop. So all I have to do is arr.pop. It's a function, so use parentheses for that. Now let's do a console.log to see what the array elements are. Save this guy, run this person, and you can see here it's 1, 2, and 3. The fourth element is gone now. Now there are a couple more important higher order functions called map and filter, which allows you to transform and filter a given array. Now let's say, for example, if I have to convert this array 1, 2, 3 times 2 of each element, then I can use a map function to do that. So the easiest way is, since it returns a new array, I would just do marr equal to array.map, take each number, num times 2. Now if I do a console.log of marr, you can see here the last one is 2, 4, and 6. So what it did was, it took each element of the array and multiplied by 2. So it results in a new array, which is 2, 4, and 6. So let's look at filter as well. So filter is basically to filter an array based on a given condition. So let's say if I have to filter this initial array with only even numbers, then I can do const farr equals to arr dot filter. I'm going to take the number again, and num mod 2 equals 0. Now if I do a console.log of farr, clear this guy and run this guy again, you can see here the only even number between 1, 2, and 3 is 2. So there are a few other methods like shift, unshift, index off. So those basically you just have to refer to the documentation and start to use that. So it's pretty straightforward. And so I think this gives a brief introduction of what are arrays in JavaScript and some array commonly used functions. So if you like this tutorial, please give a like, share, leave a comment as well, and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much. Peace out.